Ever seen a snowblower so small it fits in your hands, but powerful enough to clear real snow? Spyker Workshop makes miniature RC snowblowers that actually work, combining engineering and fun in one tiny machine. These mini snowblowers use real augers, impellers, and worm gear transmissions. Many parts are 3D printed, while motors and metal gears give them the power to push snow just like a full-size machine. Spyker builds both mini and larger RC snowblowers, some attached to RC tracked vehicles, while others come as complete kits that can handle deeper snow and wider paths. It's not just a toy, these machines actually clear snow from driveways and sidewalks, showing how RC tech can mix play with real-world functionality. Each kit allows hobbyists to tweak parts and electronics. You can upgrade motors, change gear ratios, or swap out 3D printed components to improve speed, torque, or durability. Building a tiny snowblower is trickier than it looks. Parts must align perfectly, and the impeller system needs precise spacing to throw snow efficiently without jamming. Despite their size, these mini snowblowers handle snow like a pro. They can clear narrow paths, piles of fresh powder, and even small icy patches with surprising power. Most models mount on RC vehicles, combining remote control fun with practical function. Watching a small tracked vehicle plough snow is both satisfying and oddly mesmerizing. Spyker Workshop has a growing fan base of RC enthusiasts who share mods, custom builds and performance tweaks online. The community turns mini snow clearing into a winter hobby. From clever design to snow clearing action, Spyker Workshop proves small can be mighty. Imagine running one yourself this winter.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate